seeing just who she was is meaningful.
In the front window of the women's boutique Sophie Curson in Rittenhouse Square, a tribute to the late Supreme Court Justice who shopped here occasionally when in Philadelphia.
That she even existed is just so huge and wonderful. And having a chance to read and reread her stories and her quotes.
Stopping to snap a picture, many reflected on the legacy of Ruth Bader Ginsburg and the future of the court without her voice.
What about marital equality? What about the rights of immigrants? What about climate change?
The court has been very sharply divided for a long time, 5-4. And the difference of not having Justice Ginsburg is that the fifth vote that you need to win is a much more conservative vote.
Temple law professor and constitutional expert Craig Green tells me one of the cases before the court this year involves the Catholic Church and the city of Philadelphia.
There's a case about whether Catholic social services, with their religious freedom, can accept city funds and refuse to place children with same-sex foster parents. I can tell you, Justice Ginsburg would not likely have been supporting the Catholic Social Services religious claim. She would have been standing on the side of sexual orientation equality.
Issues like abortion could also be affected without Justice Ginsburg on the high court. While it's been legal in this country since the landmark decision Roe versus Wade in the 1970s, Professor Green believes there will be challenges to it.
Abortion rights and reproductive justice are great examples because every time the court shifts to the right, some number of states pass newly restrictive laws that produce new litigation in the hope of overturning Roe v. Wade.
Justice Ginsburg's replacement, whoever it is, could be the deciding vote. I'm Rosemary Connors, NBC10 News.
And stay with NBC10 on air and online throughout the week as we remember Justice Ginsburg and as the battle over her replacement plays out in Washington. For live updates and breaking news alerts anytime, you just have to download the free NBC10 app.